Hi guys, so in today's video they're learning about ancient Egypt. We're going to be making this Egypt scene with the pyramids using card and cotton wool. Very simple to do, gives you that nice Egypt look, and it's great for their ancient Egypt topic that they'll be doing at school. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the video. So to make our pyramid scene, you're going to need some yellow card, some blue card, and some red card. I've got some scrap bits here, some red card or orange card as well, to make like the sand type of area. You're going to need pencil, an eraser, ruler, some scissors, glue, and some cotton wool for the clouds. It's a very simple, very easy topic to do, especially if they're doing the ancient Egypt topic in their past, present and future projects in school. First we're going to start off with, we're just going to put these things to one side. First we're going to start off with is we're going to draw a rectangular, cut off a rectangular shape. This will be the base, probably about, we'll say about 5 centimeters, we'll say about 6 centimeters. No, actually we'll do 8, because I'll be splitting that in half, so we'll do 8, mark it. Cut that off. This will be part of our sand look. What I'll do with this one then is just do a wavy line, just cut that, then maybe do another wavy line, then add the red one in between it. So we've got that. Now this is going to be for our pyramid. Now the best thing about this one is that when we make our first pyramid, we're going to do some smaller ones as well, but the first one we're then going to cut into little rectangles so that they've got something to build up on this. So they're building up their own little pyramid, and then they're going to have a few smaller ones on the side. So we're going to make this pyramid first. So we're going to do probably 10 centimeter length. And what we'll do then is, once we've got the 10 centimeter, we'll just half that to 5, and then it's going to be ten centimeter higher then from the middle point. So it's 10 by 10 by 10. That now gives us an even triangle for our pyramid. Here we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to half them now. If they're too many, you can just do a few. Like so. We're going to cut that, and then we'll cut them strips. Now we'll do a couple of smaller ones. We'll put it here, so we'll do 8. We'll do 4. So it's a little bit more even, and then we're going to just do 8 tall, so it's an 8 by 8 one. Put that one there. And that one there. So that's one of our smaller pyramids. and we might just even go for even a smaller one. So we'll do so we did 10, 8, and now we're just going to do should we do 6? We'll do 6. So we'll do a 6, do 3 for the middle, and then 6 high there, and then we'll just put our triangles in. There we go. So now we have our 3 pyramids. We can cut those out. Get our blue seam. I'll do it like that. Very cool. So now I'm just gonna make our little pyramid up now. So I'll do that one. Pop that one there. That one. And then that one. So they're just building up their own little pyramid. You can place them how they like so. Like that. Okay, we're going to start off now with so put those at the top. Now we're going to do the sandy area. Like I said, this is just going to be a few little wavy, so it looks like sand. Nothing too neat. Pop that one there. Let's get rid of that. Then with my scrap bit, I'll see how much I can get out of this scrap bit. If I don't get that much, I will then just use the other bigger bit that I've just used. So move this out of the way. Just place that bit there. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. We've got our sand. Might just move that one down a bit there. Yeah, something like that I'll do. And then we'll put our another great little project to do with the kids for their topic. Ancient Egypt, this one was. I did this one with the kids. I didn't do the sand bit. That's just something extra I'm just doing here now, but the rest of it we did, and kids were really enjoying that one. Plus it's like a little jigsaw for them as well, like building up their own little pyramid. Start sticking the sand on. we get our cotton wool. Now what we do is going to get some glue and you're going to put some glue on here, get our cotton wool. Just randomly place some cotton wool pieces just so it looks like some clouds. This is what the kids love, these were the texture of the cloud, the cotton wool. And there we have it, guys. A little image of Egypt using card, very easy for kids for one of their ancient Egypt projects, making the pyramids. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys again. Thank you for watching.